Hello, and welcome to Daily Outlook. Today I am trying a new mic, so hopefully the audio quality is a bit better than what it usually is. So just diving straight into it. Most of today will be covering Bitcoin once again, and it looks like, well, it definitely happened, but what I was calling for and hoping to happen did happen last night. This is the one thing with Bitcoin being 24/7. If you're not up 24/7 watching it, you're likely to miss moves. But this move here, back in February, mid-February, this dip down, buyers came in, ground back up, and then we chopped around, one last dip, chopped back around, and then traded within the same level until option expiry. And then away we go. So that's what I was thinking would happen yesterday after this move here, with all of this buying as we can see down here. So there clearly is a lot of demand at these levels. And then overnight, we are grinding back up. So how high do we go from here? Not sure. It depends on the continuation of the New York session. New York session, if it opens and we see a big candle up, that'll easily take us up to 75,000, which is what we were looking for over the weekend anyways, to happen on Monday, Tuesday, early this week. So it could just happen today, which is a day delay. And from there, since it's a nice round number, we are in price discovery for Bitcoin. We're above all-time highs. We keep on grinding higher. We're in price discovery. So at this point, what's going to eventually happen is we grind up to a level, or we blast to a level that a lot of people will want to sell, take some profits, maybe not sell all their bags. Most likely they'll sell a quarter of their position, or even less than that, maybe 10%, 5%, but at least take some profits. Because likely, with those people, they bought down here. So for Bitcoin today, I wanted to go through a little bit more in depth and give more insights to how I'm trading it, how I would trade it. So how I've been trading it is in the bear market here, I didn't buy the bottom, but I did buy along here. I did buy along here, 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 and all the way up. And before all-time highs. So this level here was my last buy for my spot bags, which means the investments that are spot, so no leverage, just all of my money, liquid money, no leverage, into Bitcoin. So my long-term-ish, mid-term investments. I do still have a small portion, 10% roughly, that I use for day trades and swing trades. Day trades, honestly, in this market since the introduction of the ETFs, has not been that favorable because of how it's been moving. Swing trading is a bit better. Why is that? It's because of these flash crashes. Previously, in bull cycles or bull markets in both crypto and regular stock market, I trade both. Started trading with stock markets first. First, I got in with gold juniors in that boom, and then I switched over to the markets after the gold boom was over with the gold juniors. And then I switched over to crypto, and during crypto bear markets, or that roughly 2 to 3 year cycle where it just is down and stays down and grinds and chops around in that area, I just move over to the stock market. But I do accumulate during bear markets because that is the best return for Bitcoin and crypto. So, with that being said, the best way to have traded Bitcoin was definitely to buy during the bear market, wait for it to grind up. Anything prior to previous all-time highs of 69,000 was a good buy. So if you're in the same boat, how do we approach trades from here with the rest of our money or new money that might be coming in? Best ways would be to buy these flash crashes. Typically, in the past and also in the stock markets, these crashes would last for a couple days, maybe weeks. Here, recently, it's more like a couple hours, few hours at the most. This crash here, this is an hourly chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Away we go, back up there. So if you're waiting for multiple days, multiple weeks correction, or for it to grind back down, head shoulder pattern, didn't happen. So these crashes or flash dips are the best areas to buy. Happened once again there. Back here a little bit. This was a stronger one. Yesterday we saw a bigger one. So these were the best opportunities to buy, as long as they're still holding the channel. But now we had 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. The next touch, would it break? Maybe. High likelihood that it could break structure. So for the next one, I would be careful on. And if we're not in the same boat, if we got in above all-time highs, so if we bought in above 69,000, how would I trade? I would be extremely careful. I would take profits whenever opportunity presents itself. 69,000, this was a good level to take some. Flash crash, that would have put you in a brief loss for a little bit. And then we grind it back up. So at these levels, it's extremely dangerous because what can happen is 10, 20, 30% correction, go all the way back down. So I would still expect 60 to be the lowest level. Anything can happen, but we can revisit these levels. We might not. But if we bought at 69, would we be comfortable holding all the way down to 60? Likely not. So how to trade? Sell when it's up and chopping around. Not the whole bag, but sell some, take profits, buy on dips, big dips like this, buy on those ones if you're able to catch them. Like if it comes overnight, we're asleep, nothing we can do. Like I said, 24/7 markets are harder to trade. But that's what I'll be looking for. For Ethereum, nothing much happened, but today is the upgrade. So what's likely gonna happen? I think this could be a double top here, a local top, and then we grind back down. Sell the news events. With Bitcoin grinding up, I do foresee Solana taking over the next little bit. So we'll see Solana price action go up. But will it hold? Might not, because what happened last time? Lots it off, chopped around for a bit, didn't hold, it crashed. Had a good buying opportunity, it came all the way back down and then grinded back up. So for Solana, definitely take profits or some profits whenever possible. On this move, take some profits here when it's grinding sideways because it's likely to give back some profits, if not all. If you bought at these levels. But for most of us who've been in crypto for a long time, we've started accumulating in 2023. For the AI coins, Render is just not doing anything. So the clear winner between Render and Near was Near, because Near protocol is also presenting at the AI conference on the 18th. So could it flip? Potentially, but Near was definitely the winner. For Render, I'll still wait because we're just still sideways and we're forming this box here. And we're kind of just staying within this area. So as long as it stays within this, chops around, I'll wait and see what happens with price action. Because what can happen is 1, 2, and then this grinds up, and then it could blast off from there before the 18th. But I definitely do feel that it's a sell the news event before the 18th. So I'm still looking for that third leg up. If it comes, I will take it. If it doesn't, then I will exit definitely before the 18th. See how price action goes. That's it. Good luck.